Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Serhiy Setnik and you in the art of the bonsai. Today Christmas night, December 25th, and we will work today in these and these two bonsai. It's a bonsai Ficus Benjamin. It's a big store plant. I just got this one for $15, $15.99 in the Home Depot. This one was buying from Lowe's from really low price. His was dying and they're buying from pretty much the so bad condition. Okay, so his was survive already. If you can saw the video before, I don't know if you downloaded it before. If not, excuse me, maybe I will do this this week. So one thing, what I did, I removed two times leaves, whole leaves, fully remove every single leaves, and you see they giving back whole leaves again and giving more branches where I was removing the leaves. So that's the most important things. I will have more branches now. Next thing, I will wait couple more probably months when they bigger like these branches. I will be cutting them, all of them, tops for they shoot another branches in the side. Maybe I will also remove, maybe in the spring. That's be good idea. Remove them in the spring to get more leaves and do the cuts one more time. So this pretty much be three working like three times I was working on this tree pretty much for 2 years. Second time I was did all these if you can see the like a wood cuts and you can see this hole that was happened themselves in this side you can see also I was also use the wood jam, the wood bleach, to make the wood like look like old. I also split these things, also this thing you can see the happening the same thing what happened in the middle. That's amazing. I never got this experience. So this time I went to the store and I got this guy. Let's go and be removed a little bit from my back now. This one also why I picked that. So all of them you see can see this one have a lot of roots. So I was like this one kind of from this side that was like looking cool. This and also when I was repotting this was a little bit lower, so I was remove the roots and make them grow longer. This one, so I try make attention on it on my video. Don't forget subscribe in the video who watch my video and never subscribe. I really appreciate you that helped me to understand what I'm making great video and something good to you can to hear. So this one I was saved from the big store. This one same thing, 15 $16. That was amazing. I like him for his have one piece of the root and I cannot do the cuts. They will look amazing. Also they don't have like that much that like things and I can place that lower or even pick it up, so I will be see after I will remove the root now. So first thing we have to put it back again, pick it up him from the pot. You can see like right now up, up, up. That's exactly good time to rip out. You can see in this side it start grow on the roots, you see, through the hole to catch the water. So that's a perfect time to repot it. So we needed something to split that soil from the roots. So I have my bonsai kit right here. Have a place to put it here. Oh, right to running. So I will pick or this guy and this guy, okay? Let's be really quick and I will start probably this one first. Removing my roots, you see? The top in the top it's not much roots, you see? almost nothing in there. All the roots in the bottom. So right now I can do or put him in. I have two bonsai pots. I have one big and one small, and I be honestly don't know which one I be use it. So you guys will be kinda help me, but I will make a choice. You can leave it the comments below. Before I be put it to see yourself which one I will be like. So if you have the same taste, guys. So thank you for watching me one more time. I really appreciate you. If you, oh, this one not bad also. They have a split, so you'll see now. So I will be really grateful if you leave your subscribe button. Also leave the bell for you not miss any new video coming up. So there always new stuff coming up. Sometime I'm not download nothing, and sometime I got a lot of stuff. So if you wanna help me to make that more schedule, I wanna see. So I wanna see more subscribing. So if it'd be great before the spring we can broke the 500 subscribers. So your subscription will be so important for me. So look at, we left without the roots. You see, kinda the same thing. You see? Yep. So this one it's too big, and this one maybe this one. I don't know if they be surviving the small one, but this one it's too big, I think so. Look a little bit even ugly. I don't have any different pots. So what do you guys told me to do? Or just I cut it that one? Or we make a risk and replace in this one? What did you say, guys? Yeah? This? So weird. Or this. Maybe something like this way. Yeah, I don't know what to do really with this guy. We do this one in the side. And I don't have any another one. I cannot put it maybe mango on the side, but I don't know if they be okay together. Mango, it's it's different one, but kinda the same. So I have no idea, guys, what to do now. Be honestly, what do you think, guys? What do you be told me to do more? Yeah, that's a hard choice. Is everything going garbage? Microphone. 2 million, 3 million. Do you hear me, guys? Hope so you hear me well. So my phone just fell, not phone, microphone fell. Still don't know what, guys, to do. Pretty much I pick and think I like it this one more, but it's so be hard probably to yeah, I have to choose this one, guys. Okay, let's go choose this one. A bigger one. we have a little bit more, you know, roots thing to grow. Okay, so that's look like this. So right now I put it my meshes in the bottom, you can see, for my soil not falling off. Plant put it right now on the side. And this one can afford these things a little bit. And I have my soil here. Can I use this one? It's a kadama, guys. Always good. A kadama. And I think I have more. You see, also a kadama that's from cactus. I was just removed. This was. I think I over watering him. Oh, water was splash. Damn, guys. Did you see that? There was a lot of water. That was why plant was dead. So all roots was like falling off. I'm like, what happened? That's why. I put it was a lot. I should be covered just the bottom. And I was so excited to check what's going on, and they covered a lot. But that's okay. That's okay, like here in the middle. It still looks good, right? Yeah. I make a root all over the place. I'll show you later. Like in the left, in the side, you know, or they not be stay in it, and just stay in the middle. Yeah, like this, guys. Yeah, like this. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, like this, guys. Like a little bit straight. Okay. I've been not cutting anything now, for I was remove a lot of roots, you know, and remove all the soil, and they will be all already stressed. Cover with the soil. Can you see how they look like nicely? This one I will be like press a little bit to add in the future a little bit more. 1 second, my cat was screaming.